own 8 cars, to which I decide which car to drive. And it's not only the car. Now, Longrich, I own my own house now. Do you understand?
What we did today is more or less a pre-launch of a factory owned by Longrich International Nigeria, a Chinese company that is dealing with daily needs products and has over 1 million partners in Nigeria. The chairman is personally here, you can see him is here. He's investing $50 million in this place.
Oh ma, we're happy to have you here, ma. What would your expectations for the event be today? We know how much plans have been put into the event, how many people are here to receive awards. It's going to be a miracle and a testimony for a lot of people. What are your own expectations as the first director of Longrich?
I expect a glamorous result. I've used one of the products of Longrich this morning. The products are of high quality.
Wow.
I don't want to market for them, but the truth is that they produce quality products.
A beautiful road, but it's under the eyes. You're more than a feeling, baby, I'll wait this time.
Morning. 今天参加这个大会啊，十分激动，深刻 very much。